I'm Eric Alverson. I'm the director of the TMC Innovation Institute. We just launched X06, which is our digital health class. The next 4 months, we run them through a curriculum, connect them with some of the advisors, mentors in our network, and get them plugged in over at the biggest medical center in the country.
So much expertise, so many different patient populations, all within this relatively small geographic area.
They create an environment where you have every opportunity to meet the people who are relevant to your business at the medical center, to make the right connections.
TMC has this unique capability of being able to take great technology and plug it into this ecosystem of the Texas Medical Center.
If you did this out of a lab, looking at a long academic road, if you did it purely as a startup, you'll never get access to the hospitals. So it's only here you can do the best of both worlds. Come up with something new and work with clinical partners quickly.
We've got companies that have been around for 3 months, raised $100,000. Companies that have been around for 6 years, raised $50 million. Both of those extremes get something out of the program.
I don't think that there's a wrong fit for what we're building here at TMCx.
TMC has really been a great introduction to Texas because through the mentor network, we can get connected to almost any health system in the state.
In just a few weeks, you can have meetings with 15 to 20 potential partners. Having that type of access as an early stage company is truly fantastic.
What TMCx does is it brings you to the decision makers very, very quickly.
Getting access to the chief innovation officers, being able to talk about their problems, to make sure that we understand their issues.
To engage this discussion with the clinician and the nurses and your customer at a very early stage. This was only possible through TMCx and their facility.
And then what we're seeing is the 21 hospitals and 59 organizations that make up the biggest medical center in the country, they're increasingly figuring out how to work with startup companies.
Everyone here is really eager to do innovative projects. The executives are enthused about using technology to help them achieve their goals.
We're learning what challenges they face in their systems and how to really work those issues out to build a scalable product. And that's what TMCx is helping us with.
The content has been from some incredible experts who give us tools that we can actually take away and apply.
In a short conversation with the right person, you can learn something that's going to save your company.
I wish I would have found TMCx much earlier in my process. It would have saved me a lot of time.
We actually have content geared towards how to be a healthcare company and how to do product development.
TMC as an incubator has lots of resources and really power our analyses. Without that, we couldn't do any of our proof of concepts.
TMC already has a joint IRB, plus they're about to invest in their clinical research institute, so they become a super site for clinical trials.
And we benefit from this kind of very unique support. Without TMCx and this interdisciplinary teamwork, I don't see that happening.
We've only been doing this for 2.5 years, and 3 of our companies have already been acquired for 10x plus multiples. We don't take any money from the companies. We don't take any equity from the companies. We truly believe that these folks are the sources of new innovations that are going to save lives and solve some major problems in healthcare. And there's no better environment in the country to do that.